Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'll quickly share with you guys the setup for this strategy, and then I will explain how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. So after clicking on the F icon, we are going to add moving average first. All right, so you search for the moving average, and these are the properties for this one. The period is 10, the shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to exclude. All right, and the level, you leave it as it is, time frame or time frame. The style, you make the color green, and then you make the picture tree. After that, you click on done. You're done with the moving average. Now the next indicator is MACD, right? So you are going to be clicking on this plus icon here, then you search for your MACD. So these are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to exclude. All right, time frame, all time frame, signal. You make the under the style, you make the color of your background. The signal, you make it color red. After that, you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average. So you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon here to add the moving average, all right, under the MACD. So these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator's data. Time frame, you set it to all time frame. The style, you make it color green, and then you make it tree picture. After that, you click on done. The last indicator we have here is relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for relative strength index. So these are the properties for it. You make the period 1, apply to exclude. The levels, you make it 85 and 15. You make the color red, make it tree picture. After that, you click on done. You make this here color of your background, right? And you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. We are done with the relatives. We are done with the setup for this strategy. Okay, so if you have done everything correctly, you are going to have a screen like mine. All right, so now this is how the strategy works. It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, the first thing to do here is that you want to see this red and green line gets to the oversold level here. So once it's at the oversold level, you want to see a cross. All right, you want to see the green crossing above the red. So once you see this crossing on the indicator window, you want to also confirm it on the main chart, and you want to see a candlestick cross and close above this green candlestick here on the main chart. So once you see that, immediately you see that you are going in for 5 candles. Okay, you take your 5 candles and then you exit the market quickly. Okay, you don't need to stay long. All right, once you get these simple conditions, you go in for your 5 candle and then you exit. Okay, you exit immediately. So this is the condition being met here again. So once the green cross above the red, you confirm it at the main chart here. So once you see the crossing successfully, you go in for 5 candle and then you exit the market. Okay, and you can see here the crossing happened here. You confirm it and take your 5 candles, you exit the market. Okay, so you must make sure that these 2 indicators are at the oversold level first before you go in for your entry. Okay, then once the crossing happen, you go in. Okay, even if there's a spike, it will still go back in profit. So far you meet the condition, you are safe. Okay, then you can see here, all right, this is to show you that the strategy really works. All right, so once you are following the condition, you get your 5 candles before any loss come. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to make sure you back test the strategy. Go back test the strategy very well. All right, test it out for yourself before you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one. It's a very simple strategy to understand, so I don't want to waste much time on it. Okay, so with that out of the way, I want to quickly remind you guys about my coming class, which will be holding on the 5th of September. Okay, it's a free beginners class. All right, so if you want to partake in it, check the description of this video. You see the link to my Telegram channel. Do make sure you click and join the Telegram channel so that you will not miss this opportunity. Okay, and aside that, I also have a powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, and if you are interested in getting this boom and crash strategy, you should DM me. Okay, you see my WhatsApp contact in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you DM me to get the strategy. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow your $5 account in a short period of time. Okay, and grow it to any amount you want. Okay, that's how powerful this strategy is. And with that being said, we come to the end of this video. Okay, so the zoom level for this strategy, you have to zoom to the fourth zoom level. Okay, zoom to the fourth, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 4 times. Okay, in order to get this setup like this one now. All right, so with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you're a new viewer, guys, don't forget to give the video a like. Okay, and if you have not hit subscribe, please do make sure you subscribe, join the team. Okay, the money making team. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, and don't forget to like the video. Okay, don't forget to give the video a like. So thanks guys, see you in the next video. Silver out.